Good morning, my dear student. This is Surya Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel, Chemistry Wala Anand sir. So, my dear student, good morning, all of you. This is Surya Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel, Chemistry Wala Anand sir. Today, I come with this video of chapter number 3, atoms and molecule. Atoms and molecule. This is the class of chemistry, class 9. Today we are going to discuss my first topic is the relative atomic mass. What do you understand by the relative atomic mass? So let us understand the relative atomic mass. So at first, before starting the relative atomic mass, the atomic mass of an element, the atomic mass of an element is a relative quantity, is a related quantity or relative quantity, and it is the mass of one atom of the element relative one element to 1/12 of the mass of one carbon 12 atom. Thus, relative atomic mass of one atom of the element by 1/12 mass of one carbon 12. 1/12 the mass of one carbon 12 to 1 mu. So 1 mu is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the minus 24 gram or 1.2 kg. 1 mu is also called the 1 Dalton degree. It is also called unified mass or united atomic mass constant. So this is all about the relative atomic mass. Next is the gram atomic mass. The atomic mass of an element expressed in gram is also called the gram atomic mass of the element. So the gram atomic mass of an element is also called the gram atom. The number of gram atom is equal to the mass of the element in gram by atomic mass of the element. These are the two. Next topic is the how do atom exist. Atom does not exist in the free state independently. So it is able to atom form molecules and ion. These molecules ion aggregate in large number to form the matter that we can see, feel or touch. We can see, feel or touch. This is all about the relative atomic mass, gram atomic mass, and how do atom exist. So don't skip the video. Go throughout the video. Complete the video. Thank you, all of you. Take care. So let us understand the things about the NCERT question. So let us discuss the NCERT questions about some topic. So let us discuss few NCERT questions, and we will discuss the NCERT question as far as. So my dear student, it is quite clear that we are going to discuss the NCERT questions. Few NCERT questions are there, are very easy NCERT question, not very tough. खांसी हो गया ये वीडियो बनाए उसी में कुत्ता क्या खांसी. Define the atomic mass unit. The first is the atomic mass unit. The first point is the atomic mass unit. Question number 1. Define atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. So the one thing we already discussed the atomic mass unit. The 1/12 part of the carbon 12 atom we already know. So we can discuss the mass unit equal to exactly 1/12. Mass unit equal to exactly 1/12 the mass of one atom. 1/12 TWEL 12 the mass of one atom, mass of one atom of carbon 12 carbon 12 is called one atomic mass unit. One mass unit. It is written as U. As U. 1 TWELTH 12. Question number 2. Why is it not possible to see an why is it not possible to see an atom with naked eye? See an atom with naked eyes. So the naked eyes, we can understand that the size of an atom is so small. The size of an atom, the size of an atom is so small that it is not possible to see it, that it is not possible to see it, that it is not possible to see it with a naked eye, with naked eye. Also, atom of an element does not. Also, atom of an does not exist independently. हमको जितना रुला रहा है उतना नहीं कुल कहाँ से रुला है, आज के दिन हम शराब पीते हैं। इस तरह त्यौहार किसी चीज़ का फल नहीं मिलेगा, जैसे रात्रि कर ले चाहे जन्माष्टमी कर ले चाहे कुछ भी शराब पीना। Define atomic mass के लिए. So what do you understand by the NCERT question? Let us discuss the chapter number 3, atoms and molecule. We already discussed the relative atomic mass unit, relative atomic mass. Lots of things here. Gram atomic mass. How do atoms exist? Before that, difference between atoms and molecule. Types of molecule. Atmosity. Molecules of compound. Molecules of element. What is a molecule? Properties of molecule. Why does a symbol indicate? Summary of symbol of common element. Rules for assigning symbols. Symbols of atom and element. Characteristics of atom. Size of an atom. What is an atom? Questions. Fourth question. Assumption of postulates of Dalton atomic theory. Law of constant or definite proportion and law of conservation of mass. Right now we are going to discuss the NCERT question according to the topic. So the term define atomic mass unit. Define atomic mass unit. Mass unit equal to exactly 1/12. The mass of one atom C12 is called one atomic mass unit. It's called one atomic mass. It is written as U. Second question is, why is it not possible to see an atom with naked eye? The size of an atom is so small that it is not possible to see it with naked eyes. To see it with naked eyes. Also, atom of an element. Atom of an element does not exist independently. So these are all about the today. These things are all about the today video of NCERT questions. The time slot is so important and so necessary. So my dear student, today we already discussed the atomic. We already discussed the relative atomic mass, gram atomic mass, and how do atom exist, and the two questions of NCERT. So this is Surya Anand, chemistry teacher, welcome channel chemistry wala Anand sir. Thank you for watching my video. Don't skip the video, go throughout the all video and completely I try to solve this chapter within the 2 or 3 days. Whatever I am going to just make the video as fast as we can, because more concept is also there. So thank you for watching my video. This is Surya, chemistry teacher, welcome channel chemistry wala Anand sir. Give more views, like and share. Also subscribe my channel and also share to the student of class 9. Thank you all of you. Take care.